Welcome to Grip Data Now. This is creating mobile landing pages. One of the things we want to do now is show you how to create a mobile landing page for a potential customer. What is the value of a mobile landing page anyways? Essentially, a mobile landing page intercepts a typical web page and prompts a particular subscriber or potential customer to enter in more information before passing them through onto a typical page. So as a sales rep, go ahead and log in with your sales rep ID. And find the particular account that you are wanting to administer. In our case, we've created Steak Burger as a demonstration account. We're going to alias in now as that account. Previously, we've created steak as a keyword. We have steak as a distribution list, and we've created a few QR codes to go with it. What we haven't done is create a mobile landing page. This icon here represents the mobile landing page for steak burger, that is. So what we can do is add a mobile landing page. In this case, we'll call the page Steak Burger, and we want to associate this mobile landing page with a keyword. In this case, we only have one keyword assigned, so we'll just assign steak. We'll talk more about this later. Background color, you can see it's represented here in a hexadecimal format. You don't have to worry about that, so you can just click on the field and select a nice background color by clicking or moving this particular slider up and down. I'll slide it down here. Maybe we'll see if we can find us a dark blue that looks pretty nice. Here we have header image. You can see by clicking on header image, I don't have any files in my image library, and so what I might want to do is actually upload a couple files. So I'll choose a particular file. Here I've already downloaded a picture of a steak. I'll just upload it real quick. I'm going to pick another one here of an actual steakhouse, and I'm going to upload it real quick. So now I have two pictures of basically one of a steak and one of the interior of a building, and maybe I want a picture of the steak up top. Say, welcome to Steak Burger. We hope you enjoy our food. Notice we have some options here now to capture more specific customer information. So I may write up here, please fill out the form below to receive a free, I don't know, how about a dessert? And I would like to know who their name is. I'd also like to know their last name. Really interested in their email address, and extremely interested in their phone number. Well, I may require, by checking the box, that phone number be mandatory and the other fields optional. And this phone is pretty generic, so I think I'd like to change this label on this phone to be mobile phone. By putting these numbers in, I'm actually representing the order that they will appear on the form or the mobile landing page. Following which I can put some more content. And I don't know that I have anything else to say. I said welcome up here, and we hope you enjoy our food, and fill out the form below, and maybe something like we enjoy steak as much as we do. And we may want to put in a footer image. In this case, the picture of the interior. Some nice fine dining. And after they fill out the form, we want to actually redirect them somewhere. In this case, steakburger.com. I'm going to use steak.com because I tested it earlier and I know that it's a valid URL. I don't know what Steak Burger is. So I'll click on Save. Now essentially we have created a mobile landing page for Steak Burger. Again, I can just click here and edit the page. Make changes on the fly. I can actually view the page by clicking right here. Really don't like that blue background. I'm going to come back over here and make it a little bit richer blue just because. Once again, I can view it right here. Don't like that blue either. But for sake of demonstration, you see the idea. On the history, we would actually show information about the history of that mobile landing page if and when somebody actually goes in and fills out the information. That blue is really bothering me. I just have to change it. Lighten it up. So if I were to fill out this form and go through the process and click on this submit button right here, not only would I capture that particular information and put it into a list, but I would see the history of that form being selected. That's how you create a mobile landing page. The idea now that we'll talk about in another module is how do you actually use this mobile landing page? Do you publish just this? Do you map it to a QR code? What do you actually do with it? Ideally, you probably want to map it to a QR code or include it in a text message in a response to texting in the keyword steak. So in this case, in order to receive this free steak, I may just copy this URL here, change my keyword. So for a free steak, don't show this text. How about complete this form at that particular URL, and it's today only. So anybody who goes in and completes the form now on the mobile landing page will receive a free steak. That's pretty neat. And then the customer can then just pull up the information on the history on the mobile landing page and the information on that customer as it would be captured in the history, and they could actually give them their free steak. Okay, that's creating mobile landing pages 101.